Hey guys, this is going to be like part 3 of the declutter. So, we're going to go get into the makeup drawers now. Now there's a couple of things that are on my desk and like stuff like that, but basically everything else is in the drawers. So, apart from a few products, this is everything else in a makeup collection. Just need to get it in a good spot. Alright, let's start. This is like brows and mascaras and things like that. So I'm going to go through like everything. So we have a P. Louise base in Rumor Zero, which is keeping the Colourpop Clear Feather Effect Styling Wax keep. I'm gonna keep my Anastasia Dip Brow. I'm also going to keep my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Powder, but I'm going to declutter the Morphe Brow Cream. This one's in the shade Java. It's not a bad product, I don't mind it, but I don't need it. Okay, I recently got this and I absolutely love it. It's the Essence Lash Princess. I feel like things are going to be annoying. Anyway, Essence Lash Princess, so I'm going to keep that. I also recently opened this. This is the Lancome, I'm not going to lie, I don't know how to say it. NARS Climax Extreme, I think that's still, oh okay, maybe not. I was going to say I think it's okay, but no. Okay, that's a bin. I'd need to get rid of majority of my mascaras, to be honest. Honestly, I'm going to get rid of both of these as well. This is the Fenty Full Frontal, and I do actually enjoy this, but it's just really old now. Like, honestly, probably a couple of years. And same with this Morphe one. Oh my god. So, yeah, these need to go in the bin. I probably need to get some more mascaras. I've still obviously got these two, and I think I've got a couple on my desk as well, but anyway, these are going. Clear brow gels, I'll keep this one. This one's from e.l.f. I got this one like kind of recently. This one I'm gonna get rid of. This is the Morphe clear brow gel. One, it's old, and two, I'm just getting rid of my Morphe stuff, I think. What is in here? This is the Morphe 2 Brow Crush Tinted Brow Gel. And I'm going to get rid of that as well. Don't need it. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow, which it's fully rubbed off. But I love that. That's going to stay. This is the e.l.f. Wow Brow in brunette, but I feel like it's so, like, warm or something. So I think I'm just going to get rid of it, to be honest. And then I've got the P. Louise Brow to Full Beautiful Brow Gel, which is so old, but I'm keeping it. It's still got so much product in there, so. Okay, then I have the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil. I'm so sorry, I feel like this whole video is out of focus. Anyway, Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil. I think I'll keep it for now. The Benefit Brow Styler, which I'll keep. This is the Brow Micro Filling Pen, and I love this. I feel like it's like, yeah, I'm going to chuck that because I think that's done. So I actually feel like we did pretty well in that department. Like, things are looking good. Now we have setting sprays. I don't really know if there's a whole lot that I'm actually going to get rid of. MCO Beauty Miracle Flawless. I'll keep the Sour Patch Kids one for now. It's almost used up. I've also got this Morphe one, and I actually really enjoy this setting spray. I really do like the continuous setting mist from Morphe. It's really nice. I'm hoping I can find something similar. And it's such a shame because this one smells so good, but it's almost empty anyway. Actually, I don't even know if there's anything like, there's really not much left in it at all. It smells so good though. Pixie Glow Mist. I feel like it honestly needs to go. I do really enjoy this, but I feel like it's just old now. And it's starting to look a little bit not that great. The Benefit Professional. I'm going to keep that. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh, which is super close to being used up. I'm going to keep that. I've got this. This is like the Ciate London. It's called like the Dewy Spritz or something. I feel like it needs to go. It's old and I don't really reach for it. Actually, I'm going to set that there. I'm going to leave that as a maybe for now. This is the Rick and Morty and She Glam one, which I have to keep because look how cute. This is the 4-3 Beauty Glisten Up, which I'll keep. The Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow, which I'll keep. I'm honestly gonna get rid of the Madison Beer one because it's nice and it smells really nice, but it's super gold and just don't need it. Hydrate and Fix. I feel like I didn't like this for some reason. I need to try it again. And then this is the Anastasia Joy set, which I really enjoy. I'll keep that one. The XX Revolution Face Fix. I don't think I love it, so. And then we have the Marshmallow setting spray from NYX. So I'll keep that one as well. I'm going to sort them all back in the drawer and then I'm going to decide on the CRT London one. I feel like it's just so old, you know. I feel like it should probably just go. But I did quite enjoy it, but anyway. So I feel like we did pretty good on the first drawer. Just going to show you what we got rid of. So we got rid of 4 setting sprays. Got rid of 2 mascaras. Or 3. 3. Got rid of 3 mascaras and then got rid of 5 brow products. So, not bad for the first drawer. I'm pretty happy with that. Coming down now to our second drawer. Oh god, I feel like this is going to be a little bit harder. Okay, okay. For this drawer, I think I'm honestly going to take everything out, lay it all on the floor, we'll go through it, and then we can reorganise it back in. Let's do concealers first. Alright, first one here is the, it's like the MCO Beauty Instant Erase Concealer. I feel like I haven't honestly used it all that much. Why isn't I forgetting? Yeah, I feel like I haven't used it all that much, so I would like to use it some more. This is the Morphe Fluidity Concealer. I feel like honestly, like it's never been anything that stood out to me like amazingly, so I'll get rid of that. Have the Too Faced Born This Way High Coverage Concealer. I quite like this one, so that can stay. The Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I love this. I do. Mine doesn't have an applicator, but we're making it work. I've got the Morphe 2 Hide and Peak Concealer. I honestly just don't think I'm really going to reach for it again. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I think I like it. I can't honestly remember, but it's really not my shade. But I want to use it again to see if I like the actual formula because I can't really remember. And if I do, then I might consider picking it up in the right shade. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye concealer from IT Cosmetics. I do think I like it. It's also really high coverage, like almost too... Oh, I don't know. I feel like I need to use it again. I'm going to leave it there for a sec. I love this one. This is the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. This is, I think, a dupe for the Benefit Bounce Concealer. Stay Lauder Double Wear. I don't know about this one either, but I'm going to keep it for now. I've got Hourglass, Jouer and Laura Mercier, which I think I'll keep all of them for now. Yeah, I think that I want to try these all out again, so... I like the Jouer one and I do like these 3 actually. But yeah, I need to try that out again. So we didn't do very well with concealers. We only got rid of 2, but that's fine. Let's do primer next. I've got this Too Faced UU Fresh Glow Primer and I do quite like this. I think it's getting really old now actually. And I've also got this one as well. They're in different shades. One's Radiant Pearl, one's Radiant Nude. I think I'll keep them for now, but I feel like maybe next time we do a declutter they might go, but I'll keep them for now. The Hourglass Veil Primer. I think it's okay. I think it's alright. I'll keep it. MAC Strobe Cream. This is getting on the side of it. Needs to go in the bin. But I mean, I'm so close to being done with it, so I want to try and use it up. Hola Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I think I like this. I like this one a lot. Actually, I like these 2 a lot. These are both from Colourpop. They're both the Pretty Fresh range. This one's the Hydrating Illuminator in Soft Ivory, and this one is the Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. I really enjoy both of those. This is the Professional Light, and then I've got a big Professional. I'll keep these. I'm not doing too well on this part, but I think I'm going to get rid of this. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer, and I really wanted to like it, but I just don't think I do. I don't know, I never really reach for it, so... the NYX Marshmallow Primer, I got this like recently and I really enjoy it, and the P. Partner in the Pink Primer. Keep those. Keep the MCO Beauty one and the Laura Mercier one, but I am going to get rid of this Laura Mercier one, and I actually do really like this, but it, the thing doesn't work in it anymore. I feel like I honestly used up heaps of it, like you can see that like there's a big dent in it, but yeah, the thing has stopped working, so that's a bin moment as well. Alright, last category for this drawer is foundations. I don't honestly know if I'm going to get rid of any of these, to be honest. Actually, I will get rid of this. This is the Morphe 2 Hint Hint Skin Tint. This is the Stay Naked from Urban Decay. I'm going to keep that. The Clinique Beyond Perfecting I'll keep. Benefit Hello Happy I'll keep. I love these two my It Cosmetics CC creams. They're almost empty, like very close to being done. At least that one is. The e.l.f. Camo CC cream. I really need to try it again because I feel like a couple of times I've used it I haven't liked it. So love MCO Beauty Flawless Glow. She Glam. I liked this one, and I don't think I liked the stick one, if I remember correctly. But I want to try the stick one again. Laura Mercier. I mean, sorry, Estee Lauder. I'm kind of starting to think that I don't love it, but I want to try it again. Love this. This is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. We have the Anastasia foundation, and then my Hourglass Stick foundation. So honestly, we didn't really do that well in this drawer. We got rid of one foundation, or like tinted moisturizer, 2 concealers and 2 primers, so didn't do as well there. But anyway, let's sort this back into the drawer. Okay, I think we'll do, is that, oh my god, I thought that was an eyelash. Okay, I think we'll do this drawer next time, so I'm gonna leave it there, and then yeah, we'll do this drawer next time. I'll see you guys in part 4.